Good morning, everyone. I came out for my run today and I saw the river was much fuller than normal. I decided to test how fast the water was flowing. Oh, it's really fast. I'm a good swimmer, but I think this would be dangerous for me. There were so many puddles. I could walk over some of them. Some I had to jog over. And some of them I had to jump over. A whole lot of sand came up out of the river. A lot of grass too. There were so many cute birds to see.
Good morning, Heron.
I think the ducks are the cutest. I really enjoy watching them. Even some little earthworms came out to play.
Is this from the wind?
Uh-oh, I didn't notice the sign or the boom or the ghost. We call them ghosts because they look like the ghosts in Pac-Man. The weather's great. Why don't you go for a walk? But keep safe, and I'll see you next time.